Let's explore vector editing mode in Figma, your ultimate space for refining shapes and paths with pinpoint accuracy. Whenever you use the pen tool or work with any vector object, you might notice the toolbar changes. That's because you've entered vector editing mode, where the magic of precision editing happens. Getting into this mode is super simple. Double-click the object, press the Return, Enter key, or click the Edit Object button in the toolbar. In vector editing mode, the standard toolbar is swapped out for a specialized editing toolbar, giving you all the tools you need to adjust points, curves, and paths. Here's a cool tip. While editing, select a point and hold Option or Alt on Windows. You'll see the exact distance to other points on hover, just like measurements between objects. These precise measurements work seamlessly, whether you're comparing points within a shape or objects on the canvas. So next time you're fine-tuning your vector designs, dive into vector editing mode for that next level precision.